In this Arduino tutorial, we will learn how to make a LED sequencer and how it works. Here we are used 8 LED for sequentially blink. This is the second part of the LED sequencer tutorial. The circuit diagram is a very quick sample. The LED are sequentially connected to pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here we are used 100 ohm resistor for limit the LED forward current. This is our example code. First we have to define LED pin connection. In this case the pin number 1 of the Arduino board is connected to LED 1, pin 2 is connected to LED 2 and so on. We have defined a character variable whose name is I. In the setup we have to define the LED pin mode. In this case the pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 of the Arduino board is an output pin. In the loop section we have to create two for loop for LED are sequentially blinking. In the first for loop we have to set character variable I whose value is 0 and we have to create a condition. Here we have wrote digital write function for two active LED at a time. You can easily understand which LED will be activated first by the simple calculation. The next for loop works inverse as the first for loop.